welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, you're gonna see all sorts of digital marketing strategies. I talk a lot about email marketing and video marketing, kind of the main things that I've used working for B2B startups and small businesses. So a quick backstory on me is I got into digital marketing about 3-4 years ago. I was doing marketing for my day jobs and business development, sales type jobs, and then doing freelance marketing on my own. I really wanted to work with a lot of small businesses and entrepreneurs because I just felt that was a more exciting space for me. I started documenting systems and just processes I was using, things I was learning on my blog, reneeholden.com. You can check that out. I haven't posted there for a while, but that's where it started. And now I've kind of moved on to where I'm really interested in video content. So I'm doing YouTube, and I also have Instagram and TikTok where I talk about digital marketing strategies that I actually have used. So who is this channel for? It's really for people like myself who are interested in implementing digital marketing, or maybe they've taken a course and are in an entry level or associate level position and they want some guidance on how to implement some of these strategies. Often I find if you work in marketing or digital marketing, even though you're not like technically the SEO person, the ads person, the copywriter person, you tend to have to do all of those jobs. So I talk about all of those things on this channel, so it's definitely for those digital marketers trying to expand their knowledge, but it's also for small business owners because most of these strategies are from my days working with entrepreneurs and small business owners. Very basic, streamlined digital marketing strategies to help get more sales online, get more traffic to whatever website, whatever social media platform you are trying to promote. I will be putting out videos every Monday at 11 a.m. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, which I kind of do the same content, talking about digital marketing strategies. And thanks for hanging out. Bye.